today it's a creative Saturday, so we are going to learn about Premiere Pro. So my name is Tony. This tutorial is sponsored by Bimenyekane TV. So guys, watch the movies on there. There is a kind of movies, thrillers, so I hope you will enjoy. So first thing you want to do is to open a Premiere Pro. So you can, then this is its interface, but it's not clear, okay, guys. So you open the new project, you type the name of your project, whatever you want. So let me try these things, but who cares? Then you browse where you want to put your folders or your project you want to create. So I don't know, guys, I don't know where you want to put your project. Who cares? I don't care where you want to put your project. Is that what I'm saying? Never mind. So you come here, then you put where you want to put your project, then you click OK. Then you wait to open your Premiere Pro interface. Wow, this is good interface, but I don't know the meaning of that. So here there is a kind of different ways. Either you come here to assembly, there is assembly, editing, color, effect, audio, graphic, libraries, depends on what you want to do. Here there is import media to start, to drop your media, to create everything, to create your video watching. Okay, so there is, here we are going to learn about opening and joining the videos. There is a ways of putting a videos you want to create. So either you double click here, then you see, you locate where your footage is, then you put in it into there. So, or there is another way. You come here and see where your footage is. No, you might not see this footage because these things, it's not good for the kids. So you put your footage here. You wait, then you double click. Either you want to put it with audio, you make things like this. You come here, you trim your time where you want to be started or you want to be ended. So there is a tools here. You use this where you want your video to be started, and you put this thing where you want it to end. Then you put it like here. So this is my first footage. So the other things, I get the second footage. No guys, this is my house, don't worry, I will take you there. So you take the second footage, you trim it either where you want it to start or you want it to end, then you put, and here where it will be joined by other. So here it's something, so you want your footage to be end from this line, you make things like this. Guys, this is my house. Does it look good? Okay, so the next things, you come here, you trim. Either you can trim from there or you can trim from here. So I don't care where you want to use. So let's see this video. Sorry, my Premiere Pro doesn't work properly because I have many things into my computer. So you see, guys, so then you can put some kind of music there, or the soundtrack or whatever I don't care what you will put there, but we are going to see where you can fix or put your song or soundtrack or media. Is media sound the same as soundtrack? I don't know. You put your ID into the link in description below. So here there is some kind of soundtrack. I have many, bro and sisters. So you use what you want, like Thrillerize. Here's a storm. So let me try this one, soundtrack, Kuriri. So I put under these things, it will sound. Here there is up, it's the video, and down for the sound or record. Okay, use what you want. So the other thing I want to do is like exporting the video, but remember that if it's a movie, you want to use the adjustment layer, then you put it on top of your clip video. You go here 1 2 3 here in effect and type crop, then you put that crop into your video. You come here and resize it from top. Here I think it is, and here from bottom. I think that's good. So guys, I hope you enjoy. So the end things you wanna do is exporting. You came here, export the media, or you type Control M. Oh, sorry. Control M. Then you remember that if it's video, come here to the 1080 PhD, or you come to 4K, depends on the set you want to set it your video. Then you come here, and then remember here every day everything you want to put into H264. So you want to export it. Oh Jesus, my God. So guys, I hope you enjoy the video. So don't forget to subscribe if you like the video, and hit the like button. Then I think if you didn't like this video, I just hit on unlike thumb twice. Guys, thank you for watching this video today. Just stay creative. Thank you so much.